Alright, so first things first, where is your car, Doc? Because you said you're gonna be driving us in. Ow, my leg. Sorry, my leg. Oh gosh. I really need to sit down, so could you please, show us where your car is? Thank you very much. Oh yeah, of course. Just follow me wait a second. Why is there so much water? Oh boy, I just got a bit wet. Why is there so much water here? Come on, guys. Guess we're gonna have to go the long way. Right. The long way is up here. Wait a second. What is this? The summer carnival is here? Do you two know what the summer carnival is? Gasp. The summer carnival? Of course I know what the summer carnival is. The summer carnival is the greatest carnival ever. I always go there every single year, but I feel like I'm going to miss it because of the airplane crash. Not saying I hate you, Coyote, but gee, thanks. I guess I shouldn't insult to injury right now, 'cause you're the one that's hurt. I'm not. I wish I just could go to summer carnival. It's so much fun. I always love the new accessories that come there. I heard that there's new parasols in there, and I've always wanted a parasol, and they're selling it for tickets. Oh, of course I want to go there, but I guess I can't go this year. Sigh. Oh well, maybe next year. Oh, I'm so sorry, Apple Lady. I didn't know you really liked the summer carnival. At least it's not my fault that I crashed the plane. I think it's that guy who quit the job's fault. If he didn't quit the job, that means he would have gone in the plane and none of us would have been hurt right now. Oh well, I guess let's just go to the car. Alright, so continue where we were going again. Oh yeah, right up this way. Alright, be careful guys, there's this really big bridge here, but you always gotta be careful, you never know. You might just fall off and you don't want to get any more hurt, now do you guys? Alright, just gotta go. Whoa, okay, gotta balance everyone. And now up these stairs, and be careful of the water everyone. Alright, you see this? This is the old garage. This is where I parked my car. Alright, everyone, let's get on in here. Okay, I'm gonna hold the door open for you guys. Alright, here we are. Inside. Now, everyone, follow me. You might get hit over. Just be careful. Come behind me and follow me. Alright, guys, right down here. And of course, you may think up here it looks pretty normal, right? But down there, oh boy, you're gonna think I'm really weird. But I promise this is a normal garage, okay? I'm gonna take you home, but just believe me. Don't judge me once we go down there. All right. Okay, stay behind me. Let's go down here. Alright everyone, we're down here. Now be safe and follow me, because you might think I'm really weird and this place is pretty confusing. I mean, look at all this moss that's going around. It's pretty scary. I was first scared when I had to park down here. My boss said I had to come and park here every single day, but you know what? I got used to it. All those creepy things on the walls, I don't know what they are, but they look like cool sculptures. One time I took a selfie here and it got so many likes. Oh well. Alright. Anyway, other than that, you're really starting to bleed. We gotta actually get in here. Alright everyone, I'm going to unlock the door. Okay. Mission is a go. Not saying I'm on a secret spy mission. I'm serious, I'm not. Anywho, come on in everyone. You don't want to get run over by someone now, don't you? Okay, I'm like your Uber driver, except, I'm not an Uber driver, I'm just a doctor, which is a better job. Anyway, come on guys, let's just go now. Okay, Doc, so, if you want to know where I live to get there, of course, I live at, I live in Cat Avenue, of course, and, yeah, just, it's like a big castle kind of thing. not bragging, but just like, I live in a big castle, alright? It was a big sale, okay? I had to get it, of course. I mean, I used to live in a tiny little tiki hut. Now I live in a castle. Anyway, come on in, Apple Lady. You don't want to miss this ride now, don't you? Wait. Speaking of going home, where's your house, Apple Lady? You never told me where you lived. Coyote. Just to be totally honest with you, the reason I never told you where I live is because I don't live anywhere. That's the whole reason why I sell apples at the airport. Because I can't get a better job. Because I'm homeless. Sorry to say, but can I live with you for a few days until I get enough money for an actual house? I'm really close, I promise. I'll show you my wallet. Oh, Apple Lady, you don't have to show me your wallet. I believe you, and of course, I'll let you stay in. Anyway, I do live in a castle after all. I have lots of space. It's only me. Literally. I'm the only one living in that castle anyway. So, come on in, hop in. I don't have to look at your wallet, because that's kind of weird. Alright, come on in, leopard. I mean, not leopard. Who's leopard? Come on in, Apple Lady, before my doctor gets too, impatient. Come on in. Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm just gonna come inside before I make any other weird statements, like look inside my wallet. Yeah. Alright, Cat Avenue, I guess we're going. Woohoo! Alright, cough. Let's just go to Cat Avenue now. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go. 1 hour later. Okay, guys, I think it's almost been. Okay, guys, I think we're almost there. It's been about 1 hour and beep 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 beep. Huh? What's happening over there? I can't quite see. Hey, Coyote, do you think you can see over there? I'm too busy driving on this side. Do you think, since you're beside me, could you go check out what's happening in the front? Oh, yeah, okay, let me just see here if I could just, let me just see over there. Oh, I see the problem. The problem is that there's an old man, walking across the road, and he's taking forever. I guess we're gonna have to wait for that old man to cross. I mean, we don't want to run him over now, do we, guys? But guys, I'm like so tired right now, and I just want to get home, and your house. I wanna get to your house, and I just want to lie on your bed, and I want to sleep for all eternity. So, let's go. Come on, Doc. Go sprint. Come on, we gotta go. I am so tired, and I just want to go home, okay? I want to go to the summer carnival, okay? You know how long I haven't been there? I haven't been there in a whole year. That is like 300 million years ago, okay? So I just want to go. So I'm going to step on the pedal if you don't go right now. No, don't do that, Apple Lady. No, that's illegal. You can't do that. No, stop. No, what are you doing? Apple Lady, are you nuts? You just pressed it. Oh my god, I just pushed it. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I am nuts. Oh my gosh, those people over there are so crazy. Oh my god, I'm going to call the police right now. 911. Guys, I'm so sorry. I think we're gonna crash into this tree, and it's all my fault. Guys, please, I'm so sorry if we die. Please forgive me. Ow. My head. Snore. My head. Huh? What? Where am I? I'm alive, but I'm in phantom prison. Where? I guess I deserve this. I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to stay in phantom prison for all of my life. I'll never ever get to see the carnival, I guess. I mean, I don't deserve the carnival anyway. Wonder where my friends are. Where's Coyote? Where's the doctor? I want to go back to the airport selling apples. Man, I wish I wasn't in this. I wonder where Coyote is. Oh, I hope they're safe. Maybe they're not in prison, but I don't know where they are. I hope they're somewhere else other than prison. But if they are in prison, I hope they can escape. I don't even care if we get caught again. I just want to get out of Phantom Prison. They didn't even tell me how long I'd stay in here for. I guess I'll have to wait until I can actually get out, or if I see one of my friends, or one of the guards. Being in Phantom Prison sucks. Oh, I'm already awake. I woke up about an hour ago. I wonder where all my friends are. Where's Apple Lady? Where's the doctor? The doctor said we'd go back to my house, but we aren't there yet. Wait, I haven't even managed to realize where my surroundings are. My eyes, they're so foggy. Ow! Is that glass? What? Ow! My head. I just shattered glass. Wow. Am I in Phantom Prison? That Phantom Prison was the worst prison I was in. I think I got the buggy one that everyone always likes to get. Maybe if my friends are in this prison, maybe I can go help them escape. I'm gonna go do that right now. Apple Lady and Doctor, here I come. Wait a second. How am I supposed to get out of this wall? There's a bit of glass here. My helmet is super, super effective to glass. Hiya! Haha! I broke the whole thing open. Now I just gotta be careful of this Phantom Watcher thingy. Think I got through it. Alright. Here I come, you two. Woohoo! We're gonna be freed from this prison. Oh, I think I should be quiet, though. I don't want any of the Phantom prisoners to find out I'm here. My boss said to go check on our prisoners, except I'm pretty sure they haven't escaped. It's filled with the most powerful Phantom goop of all time. Alright, I guess she said to check all 3 of them. Alright, I'm gonna check Coyotes first. Alright, I hope there's no funny business going on. What happened here? Hold up, I gotta turn off the Phantom Watcher real quick. There we go. But how did they escape? That's one of the... dang it! We're so dumb. This was the one that has the least amount of power. This one always gets broken out of. This one sucks. I guess we're gonna have to glue that one back together again. Now that I think about it, I don't think glue is pretty helpful. Gotta go find that weirdo Coyote person, and I'm gonna put them right back in there, and I'm gonna be guarding it, and there's no possible way that they are going to get out.